see the cheese.
Hello everyone, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I am making homemade pizza all from scratch. This pizza dough will be unique as it has Indian spices that will make pizza base more flavorful. So this recipe will make two 12 inches pizza. So let's check the ingredients. Here I am taking 4 cups of all-purpose flour, that is Maida, around 2 teaspoons of red crushed pepper or chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of Jeera, that is cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of Ajwain, that is Carom seed, 1 teaspoon of salt or as per taste. I'm taking 2 teaspoons of yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of oil. Here I am using olive oil. You can use any kind of oil. This olive oil make it more crispy crust. Now in the lukewarm water, I will be adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now 2 teaspoons of yeast. I'm using active dry yeast. Now give it a stir and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until you see the bubble and until the yeast get activated. If you don't see bubble, then just throw this water out and start from the beginning. Otherwise it won't make a good base. Now you can see the yeast mixture has get activated. So now we will start kneading the dough. For that I will take one big bowl. In that bowl I will add Maida, that is all-purpose flour. In the Maida I will add salt to taste. Salt to taste, around 2 teaspoons. Here I am adding 4 tablespoons of oil. Now seasoning, and now give it a good mix. Make sure everything mixed well. Now we will start adding the yeast mixture slowly. Don't add all at once because sometimes flour takes more water and sometimes less. So add little by little and you will see there is a sticky dough. We want that sticky kind of dough. So now once you see that all has combined, we will transfer it to the countertop. First dust some all-purpose flour on the countertop and now transfer the dough onto the surface. First clean your hand and then start kneading the dough. You have to do like stretch and fold method here. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes. If you have a standing mixture, then you can mix in that bowl. It will take like 10 minutes. That is more easy and quick. Keep scraping off the dough from the surface. It's been like 4 minutes and it's coming together. Still we need more, around more 5 minutes. Now you can see it has starting leaving the surface. Now you can see it's not sticking at all on the surface. So now this is perfect. Dough is ready. Now we will make a ball. For that I am doing tuck and pinch method. So just tuck and pinch like this. Now take one bowl. So add some oil. Grease the surface. Spread it well. Now make sure you cover the dough in oil. Top part too, because we don't want any dry, dusty dough. Now I will cover it with the cling wrap. You can use any kind of plate. Just make sure it not touching to the dough, otherwise it will not get the room to risen up. Now I will leave the dough in a dark space for around 1 hour. If you have a colder weather, then you might need more time. So you can see the dough has double in size. That's what we need. Get risen up perfectly. Now I will make 2 balls. If you don't have a bigger pan, pizza pan, then you can make it like 4 small balls and make personal pizza. So that would be easy. And now dust the countertop and put some flour on the dough as well. Start kneading with your hand first. Now I will use rolling pin. You just make sure you roll the dough equally all sides. It should be in a same size as in the center. I have rolled them like 1/4 inch thick. If you like thin crust, then 1/4 inch perfect. If you like thick, then you can roll it like 1/2 inch thick. Now transfer it to the pizza pan. Just stretch them, as it's so stretchy dough, so you can easily handle and just stretch on the pan. Now I will prick it with the fork so we don't get big bubbles on the pizza when it gets baked. So just prick, prick, prick. Now I will cover it and rest it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's go over to the toppings. You can use any kind of toppings, whatever you want. Here I am taking onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, some jalapeno. You can take fresh jalapeno as well. I am taking black olives, some shredded mozzarella cheese, and pizza sauce. If you want my pizza sauce recipe, you can leave it in the comment box. I will make another video for the recipe. So it's been resting for 20 minutes. Now it's ready to go in the oven. But we like our crust very crispy, so I usually bake them halfway and then put the topping. So I have started my oven, preheated oven at 425. So I will place pizza in oven for around 10 minutes until the base get lift up, leave the surface. So now we will check. The pizza is ready, it's leaving the surface. So now we will start adding the toppings. First I will start with the pizza sauce. Spread this pizza sauce generously. You can add more or less as per your preference. This is good. Now I will put some cheese, very little amount. This will work as a glue, so when you eat pizza, the veggie won't fall off. So just add a little bit of cheese first. Then I'm adding onions. You can add as much as you want. Now green bell pepper. Here I'm adding red bell pepper. I will add cheese because I like olives and jalapeno on the top. So I am adding cheese here. Now I will add olives. This is the best part to make homemade pizza, as you can add as many as topping you want or as less. Here I'm adding jalapenos. I'm just adding on a half of it. Now place the pizza in oven for around 10 minutes. Now we will check if it's ready or not. You can see it's ready. You can see that crust has become golden brown in color and cheese has also in a golden brown in color. Now it's ready to serve. Let's cut it out. You can give whatever shape you want. You can make it square or a triangle. Isn't it looking so delicious already? Can you see the crust and the cheese? Can you see the perfect base? This is perfect pizza. Do try my recipe and let me in the comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.